BEFA is a powerful new leadership forum focused on driving excellence in the built environment. We believe that to do that, you have to drive excellence in the built environment workforce, and particularly in the world of professional and technical services. So we're going to be really focused on driving capability, capacity and competency in that workforce. We believe to do that, you need to focus on the interaction between two particular areas. Firstly, education and future skills, and secondly, the world of professional practice and professionalism. And in doing that, we think we can drive towards much better outcomes in the built environment. So there are two things that I believe will set BEFA apart. Firstly, we are very much an industry and demand-led platform. We're going to be focused on coming up with practical solutions to thorny issues, and that has to be influenced by what we're seeing in professional practice here and now. The second point is that BEFA as a built environment platform is very much about that broader built environment spectrum. We don't lean towards construction or engineering. We don't lean towards real estate or investment. We actually span all of that. And it's the integration of all of those various disciplines that is going to be so powerful in what we do at BEFA. BEFA will be relevant for employers because one of the things that we'll be looking to address is the future talent pipeline. We want to ensure that the new entrants coming into the industry are being trained in a way that's fit for purpose, that matches employer need, but also is pushing the boundaries around what future skills requirements are. Similarly, with current professionals in the industry, we'll be looking to provide support around how existing professionals can upskill and reskill to match into the trends that we're seeing in the market around different ways of working. And in the world of policymakers and regulators, we feel that we can provide a resource to try and drive evidence-backed and consensus-led decision-making around how the future direction of policy and regulation moves. BEFA will be supported by the University of the Built Environment. There will be a strategic advisory board, which will be industry-led and employer-led, which will set the direction and the priorities of BEFA. And it will be really focused on practical solutions that can support industry to drive better built environment outcomes. We'll be looking at creating publications, hosting events, networking events, knowledge sharing events, and also creating real toolkits that can be used in the real world. So this is very much making sure that academic and learning material is translated into the world of professional practice. BEFA is an open and collaborative platform, and we're seeking involvement from all parts of the built environment spectrum, whether you're a consultant, a contractor in the supply chain, whether you're a client, whether you're an academic or learning provider, whether you're a policymaker or a regulator. You're all welcome to be part of our journey, and we're looking for people that share our vision of a better built environment to join us on the journey.